What? That's here. You're gonna tape it. I'm gonna run away. You ready? Ah! Pulled it away from me. What?
Stop hitting the kill switch.
I'm not.
Well, the kill switch was on. That was a noise. Or it blew up.
No, definitely blow up, yeah. I ain't done with her. Someone crack up.
It stopped spewing oil. That's good. Maybe because there's none left.
No, there's oil left.
I don't know, Kyle. A lot of oil came out of it.
I really
That's
didn't
true.
put a lot in there either. Oops.
Well, we'll see what happens. Let me know.
Alright.
Yep. Dude, this thing's a fucking tank.
I feel bad,
I think that's it, guys. Oh! I think that was the locking noise.
Nah, she's still good.
It might just be out of gas.
That too. Put some gas in there, see what happens.
Open it. See if there's gas. If it's out of gas, I'm gonna fucking cry.
No, it's still got gas in there. Oh, the gas is smoking.
I think she gave up.
Nope. Put that bitch back. Told you I ain't done with her yet.
Oh shit.
She might be done with you.
Fuck.
Just start it up like that. Fran, just start it up like that.
Yeah, no, just start it.
Fuck it.
Round 2. Fight. Here we go, Pete.
You're gonna miss like the piston flying up out of it.
Hey, that's why you're recording. Hold it.
Look, it spewed shit all over the place.
Alright.
Hold on, motherfucker.
He's pissing.
Dude, that thing's not dying.
Should we put wait? Should we put more oil in it?
No. Bring the oil out. Fuck that. Ready? 1,
Yep.
2, 3.
Told you she ain't done yet.
Those are just the bearings rubbing. That's all that is.
Holy mother of hot.
Careful, it won't explode.
It's not gonna explode. Just watch the cap. The cap might come flying off. Watch your finger.
Only racing engines. It's the only engines I know how to.
It's still
Oh shit! It's all
something.
Yeah. Oh, that's
all wet.
no. That's water.
Whoa, watch out, because I ain't done with this. Hold on.
Just dump all the oil out. Holy hell!
What is that?
That's oil mixed with something else.
Alright, put the shit back on. Hurry up.
No, dude, that's hot oil.
Really?
Yep. It's so hot that you know how like when the hotter it gets more.
Yeah.
Make sure the on button's on.
On.
Ready? Could just be fucking killing it.
Yeah, start it normal.
See, but that noise is the bearing going.
Yeah.
It's the bearing rubbing.
It's the lock noise makes a lot of different noises.
The crankshaft bearing. The crankshaft bearing is.
I just want to see a piston come flying
Wait.
out.
Choke the bitch a little. There we go.
Full choke is the only way to break it in.
No, full choke won't really break it. The hotter it gets, it'll just stall out. Could be overheated. You know how it just stop running when they're overheated.
Yep. Some of them run better in there.
the on and off button.
Oh yeah, good thing.
Okay.
Yeah, that bearing noise is getting worse.
Bug came to join. He's like, I'm gonna ride this bitch.
The fuck? One of these days I do want to duct tape this shit, but with like a belt on and just let it go.
A new trick.
Yeah.
Oh, do you think it's gonna last that long?
I don't know. And just turn.
Yeah, this motor's shot
turn
now.
The wheel a little.
I don't know about that.
Well, it's gonna be shot if we get it starting with no oil in it.
What's the point? Trying to blow it up at this point. Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Alright, ready?
Ready?
Watch
go.
the no, the switch.
Ready? Yep.
1, 2, 3. She's dead.
No, it might just be too hot. Give it some time. Spray some water on it.
Hose.
Yeah, spray some water on it. We don't care about it. What about that one over there?
Try not to get it in the intake.
Yeah, whatever.
Just pour it right on where the spark plug's at.
Yeah.
Go.
Shit!
Oh Jesus. Ah.
Alright.
That's two.
It's cool.
No, we need more water.
Fuck that. It's cool enough.
All right, you know what? Get out of the way.
Look, the water's still sitting there.
Put it over here so I can pee on it. Always wanted to pee on a hot engine.
Not pissing on my engine.
Yeah, because then we have to touch it. Wonder what that smells like?
Yeah. Horsepower.
We're on.
Yeah, that's why I had a tape. Because we always used to not hit it.
That's a horrible spot for an on-off switch.
I know. But when this thing's meant for a 5-year-old.
Yeah.
A really sketchy
5-year-old.
situation. Yeah, like, if I was 5, you couldn't get me on this bitch.
Well, clearly, a 5-year-old kid that does not care about his life.
Yeah.
2.
She no wants it.